Now, let's talk about search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is also referred to as SEO in short. That helps your client reach more potential users, which ultimately increases their sales. So if you're able to help a client rank organically for certain keywords and certain topics, you can open the door to a lot of new business for them. And that is why businesses are happy to hire a freelancer to help them with their SEO on an ongoing basis. That's the other thing about search engine optimization. Search engine optimization takes months, if not years, to get significant results. And that's because there is no secret shortcut. It takes hard work, and there's three main pillars with SEO. The three main pillars are: number one, the strength of your website itself. That is where we are going to go over this organic research page of SEMrush. And SEMrush is in the Profitable Tools and Apps handout, and what it is it's a powerful tool you can use for all of your search engine optimization as well as search engine marketing research. The organic research page is where you can look at specific websites, whether they're your own or they're other people's websites. You can look at how they rank and how they do. By using their organic research tools, you can see how many keywords your competitors are ranking for or you are ranking for. You can see how much traffic that they're getting, as well as how much that traffic costs them. You also get to look at an overview report of the different keywords that they're ranking for, anything that was a position change, which means they started to show up for different keywords. This is all extraordinarily valuable data that you can use to improve clients' search engine optimization of their websites. You can also look at the different position reports. This shows you the different trends and how websites are reacting to all of Google's updates and all of the website's new content that constantly is being uploaded. You also have access to in-depth reports such as competitor reports, pages reports, and subdomain reports. Lastly, in the organic section, you can learn from your rivals. You can see what your competitors' best keywords are, and you can start to come up with a plan to use them for yourself. You can also discover new organic competitors. This is helpful so you can look at what other people are doing in your client's industry to, number one, get ideas, and number two, always stay ahead of the competition. And once you start to get an idea of what websites rank close to your clients and which ones are above, which ones are below, you can start to get an idea of what keywords you want to target, which is the second part of search engine optimization. So let's go up to the keywords tool in SEMrush. If we go to the features and we go to the keyword research tool here, you will be able to search for keywords for both SEO and PPC campaigns. So that's helpful for the online ads portion of what we spoke about previously. And you can gather different keyword ideas. You can see how many searches they get on average, as well as how much that costs as a click on an ad platform. You can also see different versions of the keywords. So there's phrase match keywords and related keywords, which helps you open up and think a little bit more broad. You can get new ideas, and it helps ensure that you have a successful keyword optimization strategy in place. SEMrush acts as a powerful generator to enlarge the keyword pool for your website. Think of keywords as tools that you use to get people to your site. So when you focus on keywords and you try to get your clients to rank for certain keywords, what you will do is you'll write different blogs, articles, and content with that on the website. And what that helps the website achieve is a higher ranking when people search that term on Google. You can also get long tail versions of keywords. So long tail basically means a more specific version of a keyword. And a lot of times the more general ones, they call them fathead ones, those are difficult to rank for because they're short and they're very competitive. Whereas long tail keywords, which are a string of keywords, maybe 3 to 5 or even more, help you because they're less competitive and they can still rank. So if there's a long tail keyword that a lot of people are searching that your competitors don't know about, this is the tool that helps you uncover what those are. And search engine optimization is all about incorporating everything I'm showing you, and you need a powerful tool to be good at SEO. It's all based on analytics and it's all based on research. You can also explore multinational and multilingual environments. This is extremely helpful if you have clients in other parts of the world than you are and you need to look at their specific search volumes or rankings. Lastly, search engine optimization is a factor of your backlinks and how they are set up. A backlink is a link that is pointing to a website. So if someone links to your client's website, that is called a backlink. And what that tells Google and what that tells search engines is that your website is valuable because people are sending people there. And the job of Google and the job of every search engine is to get their searcher or their user to the most relevant website possible. The more they do that, the more people use the service because they get to what they want. That is why Google has literally become a verb, to Google something. It's because they've become so good at getting you the information you need when you need it. So you need to create a whole backlink profile for a client's website, and that is another part of search engine optimization. This is more complex because it requires reaching out to other people's businesses and websites and either exchanging links or doing some sort of value exchange where you can get a link back to your client's website. That helps improve the overall ranking of your website, especially when it's credible websites that are linking back. And you can use a tool just like SEMrush and their backlink analytics tool to get more information on this. You can look at your competitors as well as your website's backlink profile. It will show you how many referring domains are pointing there, how many links you have, how many monthly visits, and how many keywords. You can also look at new links that were acquired and ones that were lost. This is especially helpful when you're looking at your competitors. You can see what kind of links that they're getting, and you can stay ahead of the curve. Also, every time you see a G, this is when Google does an update. And Google is notorious for this. They always update the way the search engine algorithm works. So when you have a tool like this, it is a paid tool, but it is extremely valuable. When you have a tool like this, you can use it to your benefit. So other competitors might not know when Google does an update and it impacts their site. But if you're on top of it, you can help clients turn that into an opportunity as opposed to a threat. So that is a little bit about search engine optimization. It is a very complex skill, but when learned correctly and implemented over time, it can be very valuable to clients. So I hope that was a good introduction and demonstration of what search engine optimization includes.